If you are not okay to purchase that particular item at that retail price point without discount, don't even bother to purchase that same item at a discounted price point. As simple as that. Let us talk in this video, is it really worth waiting for the Zara sale, which happens only twice in a year? My answer for this question would be yes and also no. Let's talk about those 3 points in this video. Number 1, Zara sale always follows an incremental sale policy. They are gonna start with 30% or maybe 35% for few of the items, and then at the end of the sale it's gonna reach the 60 to 70%, and each and every 2 weeks you might be able to see the changes when it comes to the percentage of discount. Means if you want to buy any of the Zara pieces at a crazy affordable price points, you are gonna find them only at the end of the sale, but the caveat there would be the limited availability when it comes to your sizing. And number 2, let's talk about the price points. This I wanted to discuss from a long time. I don't consider Zara as a brand to be affordable at any point of time, but it used to be a value proposition if you consider their basic jeans, which were priced a couple of seasons before at 1,890 rupees. That's a value proposition. Even without discount, during any point of time throughout the year, you can buy them at that price points, but they slowly started increasing the price point. This I'm citing it as an example. This happens to the checkered shirt, this happened to the trousers, for each and every category of clothing. This is happening slowly and steadily every single season with Zara. It was there at 1890 and later on it was increased to 1990, and then the next season they are bumped up to 2290. Right now they're at 2490. It has gone to an extent that I can recommend Zara clothing only during the sale time. And then comes this problem during the sale time, is the limited availability and also the incremental sale policy. By the time you find the best value for that particular item, chances are there that that may be out of stock. That's the problem with the Zara sale, and you have to deal with that. It is one of the popular brand, and I love that brand a lot because it always offers quality products and also it implements all the latest trends into their clothing lineup. That takes me to the point number 3. Do we really need to think that much when it comes to Zara sale? That always depends on the product lineup or the releases for the particular season. And let's talk about that. I would say they're implementing whatever the trends right now in 2021 into their lineup. That is a great thing to do, and Zara being a fast fashion brand, that is well appreciated. But however, recently the trend has been mostly towards the wide fit clothing or relaxed fit clothing, and I feel that Zara is overdoing when it comes to that particular aspect of their new releases. Most of the items, be it their prints or be it their designs, they are really good, but when it comes to the fit, they are relaxed or too much relaxed or too much wide. It may not cater to each and every one's styling. That's a major drawback. So that combined with the higher price points they are charging for, it doesn't look like a good deal as it was before for me, even at the regular price points. Let us consider another example. Previously, the flannel shirts used to start at a price point of 2,290, but unfortunately, right now after 2 seasons, they are priced at 3,000 rupees. So obviously, I'm not gonna spend 3,000 rupees on a flannel shirt because I'm gonna get more or less at a price points of 1,500 to 2,000 rupees from other brands. May not be as trendy nor as durable as the Zara ones, but I can get them at a price point of closer to 1,500 throughout the year. Now consider Zara sale has started. That's good, right? At the start of the sale, you can get them only at 30% off. So how much discount you are gonna get? 2,100 rupees you are gonna get that flannel, waiting all the 6 months. Is it really worth waiting for that extra discount of 900 rupees? Of course not, at least for 6 months, at least for me. Of course not, it's not worth waiting that long a time. Okay, you might think that I will wait till the end of the sale. Chances are there that you may not be able to find them in your size. Nevertheless, there will be an entire video on the Zara Shop My Biz just before the sale time, just to help out you guys what category of clothing you need to target during the sale time and what you should not.